This project inspired by the nature itself, by its curvature terrain. It's my pleasure to introduce to you Binghatti Hills. Let's see it together. So the project located in Science Park area, right next to the Imtilak road. It's one of the most important connection roads in Dubai, right next to the metro station. 41-floor building. As you see, it's curved, as I said, as a terrain, as a nature, with 17 amenities, including infinity pools and with one of the biggest artificial beach, as you can see here. On each sixth floor, there will be flying gardens. Just 4 minutes to Dubai Hills Mall, 12 minutes to Burj Khalifa, and 22 minutes to Dubai Airport. We have easy payment plans and installments. For more information, contact Imtilak Global.
Imtilak Global, your real estate destination in Dubai.